You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. If you want to learn more coffee names, Starbucks coffee names in particular, make sure to stay tuned. I got many more videos for you at the end of this one. So iced, you probably knew that. Caramel, there are different ways of pronouncing it, and there's also an forever ongoing debate on is it caramel or caramel? Let me know in the comments which way you pronounce it. It is to be pronounced. And then macchiato is the Italian pronunciation. Yes, double CH means that you have to stress on it because there's double C, and CH is pronounced like a K. So it's like two Ks, really strong. Macchiato. That's your Italian pronunciation, but in English, macchiato, not macchiato. No. Iced caramel macchiato. And now you know. Yes, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.